In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Sunshine password so you can get back into the web interface without reinstalling anything. If you've been locked out of the Sunshine web panel because you forgot your login or password, you can reset it using a single command. The whole process takes about 30 seconds. Here is the command you need to enter. To reset the password, type sunshine-creds new username new password. For example, if you want your username to be admin and your password to be my password, the full command would look like this: sunshine-creds admin my password. Replace those with whatever username and password you actually want to use. Now, click the Start button. From the menu that pops up, select PowerShell and run it as administrator. If you see a prompt asking for permission, click Yes. Now let's type the reset command in PowerShell. Press Enter, and it will reset your Sunshine credentials. But there is one more important step. If we try to log into the Sunshine web panel with the new credentials, we may get an error, as if nothing has changed. That's because Sunshine was already running and is still using the old configuration. We need to restart it or reboot the computer. Let's restart it and try again. Open the web interface, enter your new login details, and you should now be able to log in successfully. Like and subscribe if this tutorial solved your problem.